So, a big welcome to Kunal Mehta's vlogs, and I hope you all have been fine, great, and good. Getting ready for the IBW ride to Goa, checking my bike, checking my front rims, my brakes, making sure everything is fine, nothing has been damaged. It's a 6-year-old Ducati WL. I love my bike, and yeah, all sorted. I'm going to be testing everything and taking it for a ride right now in some time after packing and everything, so that I am 100% sure of my bike. And as I've not ridden for 2 years for a long ride, Goa is not a long ride. I would say it's just 600 kilometers. That doesn't count as a long ride. But yes, it's pretty good. All looks set and ready. Checking my tires, making sure the air is enough with the bag on the back seat. How much ever they say, the lighter you travel, the better it is, but there are certain basic things that we have to carry, and that itself makes it heavy. Not taking too many clothes, because it's a place like Goa, you can be in your shorts or your harems and just repeat them and just have few t-shirts. When you travel lighter, it's more easy for your bike and for you, because the weight becomes less, and it's constantly, especially for me, constantly I'm thinking if my bag behind is proper, is it kept properly, because Ducati WL doesn't have a really big back seat, so the bag has to be perfectly balanced on the back seat, otherwise it would tend to go towards one side and then the bag getting looser and looser. So I have now almost finished my packing. Everything is done, and my tank bag is ready, just last minute things to be put in there, and yep, almost done. So I'm setting up my Google Maps so that if there is no network somewhere, I can still access my maps, downloading them and just looking at the route, which is going to be Karad and then Anushkura Ghat. Beautiful, beautiful ghat. You all must visit in Maharashtra. And from there, the old Bombay Goa highway, which is now really, really beautiful. Going to Tubby's house for last minute checkups. Connected. So something went wrong with my audio mic. I don't know if it was too close to my mouth inside the helmet or what, but something was not right, and my recording started distorting, and which is not a good feeling. But yeah, that's the fact. That's what happened. Anyways, so I'm off to my riding buddy Tubby's house to just check all the last minute things. Everything is sorted, everything is fine. And normally when you leave for a ride, you don't sleep that night enough. because you're excited or you're just wanting to leave and thinking, if what if you don't get up? What if something like that happens? So riding just gives me happiness. I don't know how to tell you, how to explain that feeling. I'm sure all riders feel the same. Just riding, sitting on the bike, starting a bike, and traveling, and just going through places, just constantly riding. It just feels bliss. It is so beautiful. So let me know in comments which is the last ride y'all did, and how was it, and what was the feeling, because I watch so many riding videos. I just can't tell you all the amount of riding videos I watch, because I can't ride so much. Obviously, it doesn't give me the same happiness, but a little bit. Watching others ride, seeing them, seeing their journey, feels a little nice, feels a little good. So my buddy who I'm riding with rides a BMW GTL 1600, and he's pretty good at riding, I must say. And he too loves riding like me, but doesn't get the opportunity to do it so often. And yeah, I've come to his place. That's his son, Kian, and that's Tubby coming behind. And there, that's Tubby. And there's Aditya Mehta. Hello. So here we are trying to connect a mobile holder on Tubby's bike. That's the GTL BMW. Beautiful, beautiful baby. Just can't tell you how smooth, how really nice it is to ride this bike.
So we are fixing the phone holder,
and we're trying to connect the mobile holder, but the way the bike is designed, Tubby's handle is designed, you can't just connect any mobile holder. So we were actually unsuccessful in doing it, and we decided that we'll go the old ways. We'll make Siri say left and right in our ears when we're traveling. Of course, I will have the Google Maps on my bike, so that's not a problem. Just in case Tubby feels like taking off. So yes, all set, all ready for our ride tomorrow. IBW Goa, here we come. I think this is Tubby's second IBW and my fourth IBW, and it's just about traveling and going to a place. Honestly, if it was not IBW and if we were still traveling, it would have been the same fun, everything, because as I told you all, we both love riding, and we really have a blast riding together. We've been to Kerala, to Munnar, Tekri, riding on our bikes in 2 years back, I think. Then we had a long break, and of course this year's IBW Goa. I couldn't ride last year. Tubby did ride last year on IBW Goa 2023. My bike at the last minute, there was an issue and I didn't want to take the risk, so I got so irritated. I picked up the bike bag that I had packed, put it in my car, and I just took off without even thinking, because I was very irritated. But this year it's not the same. I am riding this year. So yes, off to the petrol pump, tank full, all set, ready, and go. Thank you everyone for watching my vlogs, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. We vloggers always look forward for interactions, and it would be nice if you all want to interact. So yes, like, subscribe, comment, and wait for more videos. See y'all tomorrow morning, day 1, Ride Goa. Take care, God bless, and have a good night's sleep.